If you're looking to get away from the city in a mountain resort retreat that offers spectacular lake views, serene sunsets, then you're gonna love this home. Let's take a look. Hi, my name is Joey Rahal with Allison James Estates and Homes with the Cox team. What I really love about this home is it offers dual master suites, one up and one down. For your mother-in-law, for your family members, bring them all. Priced in the mid 400s, this home offers 2,695 square feet. 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, cook's kitchen, granite countertops, plenty of room for you to cook in, gated community, offers privacy, sits on 2.5 acres, solar ready. This home also offers 2-zone water heater, heating and air conditioning for upstairs and downstairs. To learn more about this home or get a private tour, just click message me now and I'll get right back to you.